Hi everyone, so here's a recap of the sentences from lesson 1. I think, you know, he achieves, she laughs, it smells, we dance, you play, they subscribed. The translations are as follows. Me think, you know or una know for the plural form of the word you. Him achieve, she laugh, he smell or hit smell, we dance. You play or una play for the plural form of the word you and them to subscribe. Please remember that the emphasis of this lesson is on translating the subject pronouns. So congrats if you attempted this exercise. If you did get all of them correct, big up yourself. Please remember, later on in the lessons, we will be focusing more on how to translate the verbs, the tenses, as well as peculiarity of some of the consonants in the Patois language. Stay tuned for lesson 2. Until next time, guys, lick more.